Welcome, in front of me is a CUBOT Max 3 and today I'll show you how we can format your SD card. So to get started, you will want to navigate into the settings. From here, find settings called storage. Tap on your SD card. Select continue. Once it loads your SD card, you want to click on the three dots right here, navigate to storage settings, where you will find format option. Simply click on it. This will bring up a message letting you know that formatting your SD card removes everything from it, so if you keep anything on your card that you'd like to preserve, do make a backup copy of it before you begin. Otherwise, obviously the data will be completely lost. Now, I don't have anything that I want to backup, so I'll jump straight to formatting SD card. This will begin the process, which only takes like 5 seconds to 10 maybe. Should be right about done. There we go. So click on done and that's it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.